the world of plastic cup production, accuracy and cleanliness are essential. To prevent biological contamination, production often has to pause for cleaning routines, costing time and money. The washdown checkweigher is designed for plastic cup applications and can withstand the challenges of product spillage and frequent wet cleaning routines. By installing the washdown checkweigher, under or overfilled cups are discarded before further work is done, reducing product waste. The checkweigher provides feedback to the filling machine and can adjust the filler settings quickly, correcting any errors. This leads to less product waste and a higher productivity due to reduced downtime. And with its Ecolab proven resistance to most caustic detergents and IP69K rated ingress protection, the washdown checkweigher allows fast disassembly and assembly. It's easy to clean and allows instant restarts after the cleaning routine. Discover our washdown solution for accuracy, efficiency and cleanliness in your plastic cup production line. Download our free application note today.